Over in Southeast Georgia, medical experts from all hospital systems in the 8-county coastal district, they have one message: get vaccinated.
We find ourselves here today, physicians and providers from across our region, pleading with those we serve to listen to the stories of these lives lost, families scarred, and hospitals stressed. Really imploring our communities not only listen to the science, but also listen to those same doctors who have been here for you when you broke your arm, the same ones that were here for you when your spouse had a heart attack.
News4JAX reporter Brittany Muller is joining us live in the studio. So, Brittany, during a news conference this morning, health expert, they shared their experiences that they're having on the front lines.
Tarek, that's right. And the chief medical officer at the Southeast Georgia Health System says with 122 COVID patients hospitalized, this is the highest number it's cared for since the start of the pandemic. Because of the surge, the health system holds meetings each morning to discuss how it can create more beds and find more staff to care for the increasing number of COVID patients.
Hospital leaders say the Delta variant, combined with low vaccination rates, combined with people not wearing masks or social distancing, is fueling the COVID-19 surge.
I can tell you about a 33-year-old that we put on the ventilator last week. I can tell you about 27-year-olds that are dying. But for some reason, we cannot get this message to our communities.
Chief Medical Officer Alan Brown says the Southeast Georgia Health System's ICU is at 2 times its capacity. The system has already canceled elective surgeries and endoscopies just to have enough nurses to take care of the critically ill patients. There's 122 COVID-positive patients hospitalized within the health system. 32 are in the ICU. There have been 209 deaths related to COVID since March of 2020.
Some of them get really bad and we have to call family members in, and just watching them have to sit in a chair outside of that glass door, just staring at their family member and their loved one, not being able to hold their hand.
A medical professional in Camden County wanted to remain anonymous and says she's seeing younger patients on ventilators declining so fast.
We are fighting so hard, and we want the community to know, like, with their help and, backing us up with wearing masks, getting vaccinated, with doing all this, it could help everybody tremendously.
About 40% of residents in Glynn County are fully vaccinated, and that number is even less in Camden, about 30%.
The vaccine helps. You may still get COVID, but you will not end up dying from it.
The system's Department of Emergency Medicine is calling the ER a traffic jam. Inpatients are being cared for in the emergency care center because they don't have enough beds. Therefore, wait times for people with emergencies are only increasing. The health system offers the Pfizer vaccine to those 12 and older at its Brunswick and Camden campus hospitals. We posted the link on how to make an appointment along with this story on news4jax.com.